Windows play a crucial role in any home, affecting aesthetics, energy efficiency, ventilation, and maintenance needs. In Washington, where weather conditions range from wet and windy to mild and sunny, homeowners need windows that can adapt to changing seasons while offering long-term durability. Among the many window styles available, double-hung windows have emerged as a top choice for Washington homeowners. Here's why they stand out from other styles. Superior ventilation and airflow. One of the primary reasons Washington homeowners prefer double-hung windows is their exceptional ventilation capabilities. Unlike single-hung or fixed windows, double-hung windows have two operable sashes. Both the top and bottom sections can be opened. This design allows homeowners to maximize airflow by opening both sashes to create a natural circulation effect. Warm air can escape through the upper sash while cool, fresh air enters through the lower sash, making them particularly useful during Washington's warmer summer months. Energy efficiency for Washington's climate. Washington's climate is diverse, with coastal regions experiencing moisture-heavy air and inland areas facing cooler winters. Double-hung windows are known for their ability to improve energy efficiency, reducing heat loss in the winter and minimizing heat gain in the summer. When paired with energy-efficient glass options such as low-E coatings or argon gas-filled panes, double-hung windows help regulate indoor temperatures, leading to lower energy bills and a more comfortable home year-round. Easy cleaning and maintenance. Another significant advantage of double-hung windows is their ease of cleaning. Since both sashes can tilt inward, homeowners can clean the exterior and interior surfaces from inside their home, eliminating the need for ladders or professional cleaning services. This feature is especially beneficial for multi-story homes common in Washington's suburban and urban areas. Additionally, modern double-hung windows are constructed with durable materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, and treated wood, all of which require minimal maintenance. Homeowners don't have to worry about constant repairs, peeling paint, or warping from moisture exposure. Versatility and timeless aesthetic appeal. Double-hung windows complement various architectural styles, from historic homes in Seattle to contemporary residences in Spokane. Their classic design ensures they blend seamlessly with both traditional and modern home aesthetics. Additionally, homeowners can choose from various frame materials, colors, and grille patterns to customize their windows according to their home's unique design. Increased home value and curb appeal. Investing in high-quality windows can significantly boost a home's resale value. Homebuyers in Washington appreciate energy-efficient, stylish, and functional window designs. Double-hung windows offer a combination of all these benefits, making homes more attractive to potential buyers. Their timeless appeal and practical advantages can increase the overall marketability of a property, ensuring homeowners get a higher return on investment when selling. Enhanced safety and security. Washington homeowners prioritize safety, and double-hung windows provide added security compared to other styles. Since both sashes lock securely, these windows are more difficult for intruders to pry open. Many models also come with reinforced locks and impact-resistant glass options for additional security. Furthermore, the ability to open only the top sash while keeping the bottom closed adds a layer of child safety, preventing young children from accidentally falling out of an open window. Adaptability for Washington's weather conditions. Washington's weather can be unpredictable, with heavy rain, strong winds, and seasonal temperature fluctuations. Double-hung windows are designed to handle these conditions effectively. Many high-quality models feature weather-resistant seals, insulated glass, and reinforced frames to prevent air and water infiltration. This durability ensures that homeowners won't have to deal with frequent repairs or replacements, even in Washington's wettest seasons. Customization and modern features. Many Washington homeowners choose double-hung windows for their customizability. Whether you prefer a wood finish for a classic look or a sleek, modern vinyl frame, these windows offer numerous options to match any home style. Additionally, modern double-hung windows come with innovative features such as UV protection, noise reduction technology, and smart locks for added convenience and security. Conclusion. Double-hung windows offer Washington homeowners a perfect combination of energy efficiency, ventilation, safety, and aesthetic appeal. Their ability to withstand the state's varying climate conditions, along with their easy maintenance and timeless design, makes them an ideal choice over other window styles. Whether you are upgrading your existing windows or building a new home, double-hung windows provide practical and stylish benefits that enhance comfort, security, and home value for years to come.